friends, welcome to IT Board. In this session we are going to see about Logon Triggers in Sql Server. Logon Triggers are special kind of stored procedure and an operation that gets executed automatically in response to a logon event. They get executed only after the successful authentication but before the user session is established. If authentication fails, the Logon Triggers will not be fired. The uses of Logon Triggers to audit and control server sessions, to restricting logins to SQL Server, and restricting the number of sessions for a specific login, and we can restrict the user from logging in outside permitted office hours. So let us check with the simplest example for this. I am going to create one login test 1. Test 1 password also test 1. So just I close this session and disconnect, connect with the test 1. So now it was connected. Again I disconnect this and connect SA with this password and write a trigger, that is Logon trigger. Test 1 on all server. This is syntax for logon. Yeah. Just restrict the rights to the test 1. If system user is equal to test 1, begin end. Just print your login block, rollback. It's a simple Logon triggers. It's fine. Just created the login test 1 and checked with the initial login and write the trigger for the logon with the user system user. If system user is equal to test 1, just print and block. So now the trigger was created. Just to close this SA session and disconnect and reconnect with test 1. Now it conveys the message logon failed for login test 1 due to trigger execution. So we can block the user using the Logon triggers. Just reverse to the SA and modify the query with, or you can drop this trigger and close this session. Disconnect and then connect test 1 with test 1. Now we can log in with test 1. So these are the simplest example for Logon triggers. Using these Logon triggers we can restrict the login for particular login, and we can restrict the number of logins for that particular specific login, and we can block with the working hours. So these are the Logon triggers. Hope this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.